Hey traders, how are we doing today? It is 10 o'clock in the evening, just past 10 o'clock, so I do apologize for the lateness of this video. I do sort of like to get settled and the watch list out of the way from about 9:30, but life gets in the way sometimes. So what I will do is a bit of a recap on the movers from yesterday, which was DCAR, and I didn't actually play this. I'm going to be, honest. Stocks to trade crashed at the market open, and when that happens, if that's ever happened to you before, I don't know if it's for you, but definitely for me, I can't get it working again. So it was midnight, and I was still sort of trying every 20 minutes or so. I would try again, and it just wouldn't work. So I did a few other things. I trade forex as well, so I was managing a couple of trades there, and there's not a lot to talk about there either. Really, it's quite subdued. I sold the USD yen about a week ago, and it's up and down. It's just one of these things. The markets were moving so great even January. January was sweet. I made about 8%, which is pretty decent considering only it was 2% trade. So, but now it's you just got to take what you're given, really. DPW as well. I want to see how this finished. Not great price action, honestly. Disappointing. What I will do is I'm going to close a few things down because I think one of the issues might have been I had too many stocks open. PTN, when it's like that, that's just low liquidity. It's not really interesting. I'm just going to have a sip of this tea. New York breakfast as well. So hello to my American viewers. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. The problem is, something like that's not even, it's just hard to read. It's just very flat. MGTI, that's not particularly interesting, really. The range is, this is nothing really. That's not really a dip buy, either because it's later in the day and I'm not really, it's not a pattern I'm really. You're just not going to watch that until that happens. So NPH down again. Everyone's just taking profits and they're checking themselves. I'll go over the big movers as well with the pre-market scans. There's a few things. Lower price ANY. Actually, I'll bring that up. Look at that. I'm going to do that now, actually, and I'll tidy it up once I close this video. But ANY, we'll see what these guys do. This is up a little bit as well. This is a bad sign when it's doing this already, and it's a little bit slow, but I'm going to be positive. SV3D halted, 0.7% double unit sale. Okay, so that's interesting. There's some news out that it's announcing an agreement to sell data protection and archive business. Okay, so it's up a little bit. This has probably been doing nothing for a while. Get the 1 month up. Yeah, wow. So it's what it's done the last year. Bad sushi chart. Yeah, I might call that a bad sushi chart. There is a little bit of support. Let's support it. 220. It's the next real significant resistance level. It's sort of bang up on there, really. You've got $3. So this could be an interesting one if it breaks. It's not the 52-week high. The 52-week high looks to be around 488. So, but if you can get through the resistance there in the early threes, it's pretty good up until 350 or so. So nice clean numbers to target. So that's interesting, at least. We'll see how this goes. Ideally, what I'd like to look for is, about for a dip buy. So it's interesting though. It's an interesting little sector as well. It's got some news, big-ish company as well. for the price it's at, listed on the NASDAQ as well. So it's interesting. Data management, desktop and application virtualization solutions for small and medium. Oh, okay, so it's like 3D. There's a lot of mining companies that like this sort of stuff because you can teach your employees without actually taking them out into the middle of nowhere. Especially in Western Australia, we do a lot of gold mining. We do a lot of mining for iron ore as well. So I think we're the biggest exporter of gold in the world, Australia. How did Rad go? Is that really choppy? I'm going to close that down. I'm not really interested in that, honestly. I don't think it was really good news, to be fair. It was a merger agreement, but I'm not too sure on the details. I don't think it was very favorable. DPW, I'm going to close that out. DCAR, it's just, unless it comes on the scans, I'm going to close that as well. FTFT, no, I'm not interested. MBVX, not interesting as well. So ANY, God, this video's going on. I would like. It's got pretty good volume as well. MBT, I'm going to close that. That's just not even worth talking about. All right, so ANY dipped by just. I mean, look what those wicks are in the 260 sort of level, or 270. You just want to see where it goes to. I mean, 260 would be pretty sweet. Ideally, even like 250. Where there's support there as well. And it's more a psychological number as well, the 250 with these lower price stocks. What else is there? I'm going to keep it to that. Just keeping the price and the volume. I'll bring this across just to show you guys. ANTH. ANTH is probably worth talking about. I'm going to get that up. It's all the A's, baby. Okay, this could work. That'd be good. All right. Healthcare. Interesting. There's nothing significant out currently. What does it normally trade at? So it's nearly at the day's volume average already, trading wise. So it's up again. Also would support 180s. Again, we'll see what happens. So ANY and ANTH. ANY, I like the catalyst a little bit more, and it does have more volume as well. So that will be the main watch for a potential break of $3. And then there's no real significant resistance until 350. So, that's about it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.